together with me. Oh my god, my dog. And good morning guys. It's the time is 8:59 a.m. So let's go to trash.
This C7000 glue is super easy to use, dries clear with no white marks, strong hold without leaving visible residue, perfect for foam repair, DIY, and fixing small items, easy to apply with precise control. No messy overflow, it stays slightly flexible after drying, so it won't crack easily. Definitely a must-have at home.
So, tapos na ako mag-brush at maghilamos na tayo. Guys. Ito. Pasensya na guys, nakabisaya yung nanay ko. Okay lang yan guys. At maliligo na rin tayo guys. Mag-sanitizer rin tayo. Parang primer tape. Mag-sanitizer ito. Para tayo. Okay, bye. Sandali lang. Maliligo na. So, maliligo na tayo guys.